Okay, so I got Miranda House, yes, which was my very first preference in the list. But honestly, so hi, I'm Megha and I'm a PCB student. In this video, I'm going to take you through the entire journey from the moment I started to figure out about how to make the preference list for DU till the moment I was finally allotted Miranda House. It was really confusing because कुछ लोग जो है वो कहते हैं that you should prioritize your course and some say that you should definitely prefer North campuses even over your colleges because that would give you a lot of exposure. Probably everybody would know like starting की like 5 to 8 preferences तो मुझे पता है मैं बना लूँगी easily. But after that, as a backup, if you have to add the colleges, it really gets difficult to choose. You literally can't know about every college campus, right? So that's what happened with me as well. In a lot of YouTube videos, I also found out that people say कि आप अपनी 100 से 150 preferences add करो. Now that I have actually been allotted with the college, and actually had the experience, now I can say that वो idea of filling like 100 से 150 preferences, that is actually because YouTube पे when people are addressing the students, they take them at the same level, right? They got to, in order to be safe, because you know Delhi University's portal जो है, it works like कि अगर आपको कोई भी प्रेफरेंस अलॉट नहीं होती है तो यू विल बी डायरेक्टली आउट ऑफ द CSAS पोर्टल. एटलीस्ट यू हैव टू बी अलॉटेड विद एटलीस्ट अ सिंगल कॉलेज. आपकी प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट में ऐसा तो होना चाहिए, अलॉट तो हो, आप एटलीस्ट पार्टिसिपेशन में तो आ रहे हो उसके, राइट? सो व्हाट आई डिड वाज, मैंने पहले सारे कोर्सेज देखे थे क्योंकि आई वाज वेरी श्योर कि मुझे साइंस में दिस बायोलॉजी में ही करना है. आई डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू गो विद फिजिक्स और इवन केमिस्ट्री. उसमें से कुछ तो मैंने एलिमिनेट कर दिए थे. देयर वाज होम साइंस, some sort of environmental science, biology was also there, so I eliminated it because I was sure कि मुझे जो करना है that is not among these. So the courses which I considered were life sciences, biological sciences, zoology, microbiology, biomedical science, and biochemistry. Now, and actually I also had filed approximately 70 preferences मैंने डाली थी. So I had to include courses because chemistry was not in my mind, so I didn't include it either ways. Thing was botany. Now botany was something that would extend my list, so but I was not interested in studying botany in detail, so I just ended up placing it at the very last, though there were a lot of like very good North campus colleges bhi. This was my final list which was ready. Like these are the first 25 preferences, then these are till almost 50, and these are the next 15-20 preferences. ठीक है? For the reference, let me tell you, I didn't prepare the preference list in one stretch. I actually started early, so I had a lot of days. because last day there was a lot of time, so मैं हर दिन around 15 preferences डालती थी. Starting में तो मैंने पहले दिन the moment I started मैंने सिर्फ 10 preferences ही डाली हुई थी because I need to get used to making preferences. Like किस तरीके से am I supposed to prioritize it? It's a different challenge which I will be dealing in the upcoming videos. I'll be sharing my own preference list and also how you need to customize it, because actually every day कुछ preferences फाइल करती थी, and the next day when I wake up and मैं फिर preferences बनाना शुरू करती थी, what happened was कि I suddenly used to think कि मैंने कल इस preference को इस college campus को इसके ऊपर क्यों रखा है. मतलब if you would ask me the next day कि तुमने कल इन दोनों में से किसी ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटी दी थी, I didn't remember because मैंने इतने रिव्यूज और इतने वीडियोस भी देख रखे थे that it was literally confusing at a point. ठीक है, so I'm just telling you like what was the whole journey. Like now I was like जब मेरा फाइनल प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट रेडी हो गया था, which I just showed you at the very beginning, I was pretty much confident. I was like कि मैंने तो सब कुछ रिसर्च किया, इतने ड्राफ्ट्स बनाकर कैंसिल किए हैं, there would not be any error. Now अब who would decide कि आपकी प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट में एरर है या नहीं? That is you yourself, because I told you कि हर एक की प्रेफरेंसेस डिफरेंट होती है, तो आपकी लिस्ट सही है या गलत है ये कोई नहीं बता सकता है. It's just you. A day I woke up as usual. मुझे नहीं पता ये आइडिया मेरे दिमाग में कहाँ से आया. Like what kind of a wave was it? I opened my phone the very moment and asked ChatGPT कि मुझे ये बताओ ChatGPT, what is the difference in the topic if I study a topic with biochemistry's point of view and like zoology's point of view. The moment he gave me the example, right, I realized that biochemistry didn't deserve to be in the second last. In fact, it has to be in my second top preferred courses. Like that मैंने ये सुबह around 9 AM I think सर्च किया था कि इसकी लास्ट डेट क्या है रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रेफरेंसेस चेंज करने की, and it was that day only till 5 PM. Now I was literally messed up. I was like ये क्या हो गया. मैं तो इतना कॉन्फिडेंट थी, and I was, if you know हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज, क्योंकि अगर आप अपनी एक प्रेफरेंस को रीअरेंज करते हो पोर्टल में, दैट गेट्स स्वैप्ड इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग अ स्टेप बिलो और कंप्लीटली डिसअपियरिंग. अगर आप अपनी प्रेफरेंस को बाद में चेंज करते हो, इट गेट्स स्वैप्ड, एंड स्वैप होने की वजह से वो स्वैप हो जाता है. आपकी प्रेफरेंस जो बेसिकली स्वैप होती है, तो आपकी पूरी लिस्ट डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाती है. यू विल हैव टू क्रिएट इट अगेन. सो दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड. मुझे अपनी लिस्ट को फिर से बनाना पड़ा था. And the moment result came, I don't know why I started crying, though I didn't intend to cry. I did expect कि मेरी top 10 में तो definitely मिलेगा, but first preference I was like Miranda. I literally didn't expect. At least in the first round, it was almost like a unachievable dream, right? This is literally something that made me super happy, and I thought that all my mehnat and frustration has given me some prize, right? I felt my mehnat has been rewarded basically. So yeah. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos which are about my exact preference list, and along with that how can you customize it for you, because remember preference list सही या गलत सिर्फ आप ही डिसाइड कर सकते हो, क्योंकि वो आपकी preference list है, आपकी preferences और priority हो. Okay, so bye bye.